SNA 2013. What about another well-deserved big round of applause to our 28 official candidates? And in my books, you're all winners because you have competed against yourselves and nobody else.
We are now ready to announce the winners of the last batch of special awards.
May I have the envelope, please?
Thank you, Ma'am Weng. Palakpakan din natin yung ating mga props men, yung mga fourth year na may hawak ng mga props. Okay. Sige, may plus 5 kayo sa chemistry. At third year pala yun, hindi na pwede. Physics pala yun. Okay. We shall now announce the winners of the talent competition. We have 3 winners actually, 2 runners-up and Mr. and Miss Talent. Nakikita ba ng mga to dito? Tumatawa ka, Luisa. Ano may nakikita ka dito? We begin with the second runner-up in the talent competition.
For Mr. Talent.